In today's class, we will study about convection and its application in daily life. Convection is a process of heat transfer by the actual movement of molecules of the medium. Means when we heat any substance, those molecules of the substance which are near the source of heat will get heated first. After absorbing the heat, molecules will become lighter and therefore will rise up, leaving the space behind. To fill that space, the molecules from the top will come down, and the same process will be repeated again and again until the whole substance acquire the same temperature. Due to this process, a current is set up which is known as convection current. Convection takes place in liquids and gases, but not in solids because molecules of solid cannot leave their place. Thus, solids are heated by conduction. Let us study an activity to check convection in liquid. Take a flask, fill it with water, put few crystals of potassium permanganate in it. Now heat the flask. You will notice a fine stream of purple color will start moving up from the center of the bottom of the flask. It will reach up and then again come down through the sides of the flask. These streams shows the convection current in liquids. We can check the convection in gas by the following activity. Take a rectangular box. On the top side of it, make two holes A and B and insert two paper rolls in it, which will work as chimneys. Now, on the side adjacent to the top side, cut a window. Place a candle inside the box just below the chimney B. Now, close the window. Take a lighted hoop and place it near chimney A in such a way that the smoke should reach inside the box through chimney A. You will notice that the smoke which is entering through chimney A will come out through chimney B. This happens because the candle which is placed near B heats up the air surrounding it, due to which it becomes lighter and rises up, and it also carries the smoke of the dhoop which is present inside the box. The cold air enters through B to take its place, so it carries the smoke of the dhoop along with it. This way, a convection current is formed between chimneys A and B. Now, let us discuss some applications of convection in our daily life. Ventilators and windows are provided in the rooms for proper ventilation because when we breathe out in a room, air inside the room becomes warm and impure. The warm air is less dense, so it rises up and leaves the room through the ventilators provided on the top of the room. To fill up that place, cold air enters the room through doors and windows. In this way, a proper circulation of air inside the room is maintained to keep air in the room fresh. Chimneys are provided on the top of the furnace so that warm gases along with smoke and fumes coming out of the furnace rises up through the chimney and leave the place. Land and sea breezes are also the examples of convection currents. During daytime, the land gets heated up quickly and gets comparatively warmer than the sea. So the air above the land being warm rises up. To fill that space, cool air from the sea rushes towards the land. and a current starts blowing from sea to land. This is called as sea breeze. During night, land cools down much faster than sea. Therefore, sea gets comparatively warmer than the land. So, the air above the sea being warmer rises up and cool air from land rushes to fill that space. Thus, a current starts blowing from land to sea. This is called as land breeze. In refrigerators, freezer is always placed at the top of the refrigerator so that cold air at the top will sink to the bottom. Warmer air at the bottom will rise to the top. Convection current is set up to cool down the refrigerator. Firemen usually crawl when they enter a building where fire has broken out because hot air and smoke rise upwards.